Hello guys, welcome to PC Express. Today I want to show you our new build. We made a new one based on the 10th generation Intel. So for this build, the CPU we have used the 10th generation i7 is a 10700K. Okay, so this is the latest CPUs from Intel. The case, we have chosen this time a smaller case. The case is the Corsair icue 220t RGB. So this is the case where we can control everything with the iCUE software. So we control everything, all the lights. For the cooling, we have used the Corsair h100i Platinum RGB. This is the cooling, okay. Here it sits on top on this case, the radiator with the fans. For the motherboard, we have the latest chipset from Intel, and we have chosen the Asus ROG Strix Z490F Gaming. So this is the motherboard, as you guys can check it out inside. For the graphics card, we have the GeForce RTX 2070 Super. We have chosen also the Asus ROG Strix Gaming graphics card. It fits perfectly inside this case. For memory, we have 32 gigabytes is the Trident Z RGB, so we can control everything with the iCUE software. Memory 32 gigabytes, and for the main SSD, we have a Samsung 970 EVO. It's a 1 terabyte M2 SSD, and we also have a 2 terabytes hard drive. This is the final result, so everything blends nicely, and remember all the lights, we can control everything on the same place within the iCUE software. We have also used a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card, an Asus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card, and for the power supply we have used the Corsair RM850 watts. For sure it's gold certified. Okay guys, so this is the final result. It's a small computer, but we took care to choose all the parts so that everything blends nicely. Then we have added some orange custom cables, and this is the final result. We have also taken care so that everything, all the parts that we have chosen, we can control all the lights within the Corsair icue RGB software. So in this program you control all the lights, you make it all the same color, you can put the lights dancing with the music, you can put the lights connected to the CPU temperature. I really like the case. This is a nice end result. I hope you like it. If you want to build a computer with us, go to PcExpress.lu or send us an email. Thank you.